Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating to Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this tree that I got for $3 at a thrift store. It's just a wooden tree somebody had made. I'm going to paint it with the color Celery chalk paint. And I'm going to do the whole entire thing, everything but the very bottom little stand that it stands on. I'm going to do the inside areas, and I did the front and the back and all the sides. So I'm just going to make sure this has a very good coat of that celery paint. Once I have that all painted with the celery paint, I am going to take some antique wax and I'm going to wax the bottom little trunk to the tree. And I did the front, the back, and the sides of this as well. And I'm just using a paintbrush to do this so I don't get any on the paint that I just did. And plus I needed to get into the little areas on the edges. So once that was all finished, I'm going to take this deer from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some glue on his feet and I'm going to stand that right in the center of the tree. I'm going to kind of hold that in place, and then I did add some more glue to that. Once I finished that and it was all glued on, I am going to take some faux snow and line the whole bottom of this with a ton of that faux snow to cover up the glue for on the feet. And I'm just using a paintbrush to apply this so that it has a fluffy look to it. Just kind of dabbing it on. Once I have that all on and it's still wet, I'm going to take some fine glitter and spread that right onto the snow and give it a sparkly look. Next, I am going to take this greenery and some white berries, and I kind of just tied them together, did just two picks, and then I tied the two berries on. I tied them in the center, and then I'm just going to glue that to the bottom. Once I have that all glued in the center, I'm going to add this pine cone, and I'm putting that on to cover up where I tied the two picks together. Next, I'm going to take some antique wax and go around all of the edges of the tree. And I'm just doing it lightly, ever so lightly. I don't want it to be too prominent because I really like the green and I didn't want to take away from that. So just very lightly putting some antique wax on the edges of the tree. And then I'm going to take some faux snow and add that to the edges as well. And only in certain spots did I do this. I didn't do it on the inside. I wanted it to do where I thought snow would kind of fall naturally and build up. So I did the edges, the top, and the sides. While that was still wet, I also added some glitter to that as well. So I went all the way around, add glitter to where I put the snow. After I put all of the glitter on, I'm going to take this felt sparkly snowflake that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to glue that to the very top of this tree. So I'm just going to glue that right in place. And once I have that in place, this project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love these trees. I've been seeing people make them out of the Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree, but I'm not exactly sure on the instructions. But I love it. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.